Whoa, this is huge. Look at this alert. It's like a ticking time bomb. We have to act now. You know that moment at the checkout when your heart races before tapping your card? That split second of panic, wondering if you have enough money in your account? That fear of hearing declined in front of everyone? That's called financial anxiety. And if you're living paycheck to paycheck, constantly checking your bank balance with one eye closed, or avoiding looking at your account altogether, you're not alone. Here at Wealth Empire TV, we guide you through these challenges. Millions of people are one unexpected expense away from financial disaster. But here's what nobody tells you. Being broke isn't a personality flaw. You weren't born bad with money. You were never taught how money actually works. And today, that changes. Exhausting, right? It's like playing financial Russian roulette every single day. Here's the truth. You're not bad with money. The system failed you. School taught you geometry but never explained how credit card interest can destroy your future before you hit 30. Today, we're ending the shame. We're clearing up the confusion. This is financial adulting, my way. No boring spreadsheets. No skip the coffee nonsense. Real wealth is built with bold moves. Just honest truth about how to stop being broke and start winning. No excuses. Build your empire today. Let's be honest. Why do you feel completely lost when tax season arrives? The education system set you up to fail. They spent 12 years teaching you to be a polite worker who knows random facts. But they never taught you how to build wealth. Why? Because people drowning in debt are easier to control than people who understand money. I'll never forget my first real paycheck. I felt rich for exactly 20 minutes. Then reality hit. Rent, taxes, insurance. I was terrified for exactly 20 minutes. Then reality hit. Rent, taxes, insurance. I was terrified. It felt like everyone else got a secret handbook on adulting, and I missed the MO. Listen carefully. If you feel behind, it's not your fault. But here's where I get tough with you. Fixing it is your responsibility. Shame doesn't pay bills, action does. So let's learn how money actually works. Step 1. Stop avoiding reality. Face the truth and build your empire. The city is yours for the taking. Most people treat their bank statements like horror films, peeking through their fingers, terrified. We're done with that. You need a financial audit. Grab a coffee, sit down, and... We're done with that. You need a financial audit. Grab a coffee, sit down, and... Examine every penny leaving your account. That gym membership you haven't used since 2022? Cancel it. That free trial charging you £10 monthly? Delete it. Cancel it now before it drains your empire. You're not punishing yourself. You're finding leaks. Think of your finances like a boat. Speed doesn't matter if there's a hole letting water in. You'll sink either way. Face your numbers. Once you see exactly what you owe and what you spend, the scary monster becomes a harmless kitten. Knowledge gives you power. Ignorance just costs money. Now, the biggest lie ever told. Save whatever's left at month's end. It is a self-deceit and a complete rubbish. The truth is, there's never anything left. Your spending naturally expands to match your income. That's Parkinson's law. Want to stop being broke? Be selfish. When your paycheck arrives, the first person getting paid isn't your landlord, not the government, and definitely not online shopping. It's you. So pay yourself first. Automate it. Even £50 matters. Move it to a separate account immediately, before you can spend it. Don't call it savings. That's boring. Name it your freedom fund. This money ensures no boss can disrespect you and no emergency can trap you. Good money management isn't about suffering. It's about giving your future self an escape route from the grind. Investing is for everyone. The Wealth Bit is your guide to financial freedom. Join us as we explore the world of wealth. Stop believing investing is only for rich people in fancy suits. With the right knowledge, anyone can build wealth. If your money sits in a regular savings account, it's not safe. Inflation eats it alive daily. You're literally choosing to get poorer. Financial adulting means your money should work as hard as you do. You don't need advanced math skills. You just need to understand compound interest. It's magical. Small amounts of money plus time equals serious wealth. Just like this city, your empire can grow. I start with an index fund. Set it up, leave it alone, and live your life. You're not gambling, you're owning part of the global economy. That's the most rebellious move possible, using wealthy people's tools to build your own empire. That's the most rebellious move possible, using wealthy people's tools to build your own empire. Real talk, adulting is pretending you know what's happening until you actually do. That shame you're carrying? Leave it behind. You're here now, you're learning. That puts you ahead of 90% of everyone else. Stop watching your life from the sidelines. Money isn't the goal, freedom is. Freedom to say no, freedom to travel. Freedom to never flinch at checkout again. You've got the tools, now go build something amazing. Freedom to never flinch at checkout again. You've got the tools, now go build something amazing. I'm Martins, and if you're ready to win, stick around. We're just getting started. Now go check that bank balance, with both eyes open this time. Cheers. Subscribe to Wealth Empire TV if you are ready to grow financially.